ting. Do your dick hang low? Do it wobble to the floor? Do it feel real good when you stick it in a hoe? Man's making, what's the fucking word than that, yeah? Man's making tostamista. Basically, it's bread, yeah? It's bread butter, yeah? You put a little bit of cheese, yeah? You put a little bit of smoked ham, yeah? And you just eat it. You got what I'm saying? Yeah, typical Portuguese food. Get the bread, yeah? Like that. Boys. Okay, that was odd, yeah? You see this, yeah? Emano. Elme. Yeah, you get that, yeah? Yes. Emmental, yeah? You get exactly. Smoked ham. You see that? Boom, boom. Wait a second. You see that? Just to see the mark and that. Okay, you see this? Yeah. Boom, boom. You got it. Okay. Okay, what the fuck? So you open this shit, yeah? Bitch. So you got it. Mother. Okay. I did it. We did it. Nigga, we made it. See that? Put this shit in this bitch, yeah? Okay. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. Okay. You see? Now you leave it, innit? Boom, boom. I'm gonna show you that. Sucker is ready, huh? Boom, boom. You see this? Look at this beautifulness. You see? So now, yeah, I forgot to take it out. Yeah, now you the butter, yeah. You see that? You bring the butter, yeah. You put it. You get what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You see? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This motherfucker. It's not easy, yeah. Okay, let me just butter it and then I will show you the fuck. Yes. Chef O'Brien, look at this beautifulness. Yes. If you're asking, yes, I learned to spread bread in Africa. Yes. So now, what we're gonna do, yeah? We're gonna grab the smoked ham, yeah? Boom, 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 boom. Give me a sec. See that? Look at that. Are you looking at it? Oh, goddamn. You see this? I'm gonna grab this motherfucker. This motherfucker doesn't want to come out still. You see this? Yeah. You see, since the thing we fold it, yeah? We fold it, bitch, if you don't. Yes. Listen, if you're fat like me, yeah, you're gonna put an extra M. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So listen, we want this cheese melted. So what we're gonna do? Listen, I'm gonna show you African tactic. Yeah. By the way, this is Portuguese, not African, because in Africa there's no electricity. African tactic. Yeah? You see this? I know it sounds strange. You see this? Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for it, my boys. Wait for it. Are you waiting? Wait, my boy. Yo, wait. You're not ready for this. Just wait. Listen, just a little bit more, innit? Yeah? Leave it, yeah? Don't worry. It's like, yo, my boys. Yo, wait a sec. You need to see my face. I put my face, my boys. Oh, yes. The zoom is, yes. So, it's good now, yeah? You see, my butt. Fuck. So now listen, look at this. It's all melted. My butt melted and that, yeah?
Stupid ass bitch.
Wet. Yes.
Hang low, do it wobble to the floor? Do it feel real good when you stick it in a hoe? Can you throw it over your shoulders, tote it like a radio? Do your dick hang low?
Dang, stupid ass bitch.